All right, so here I have the Ninja coffee and tea maker. And for the longest time, I wake up in the morning after the coffee is made, and there is water all underneath here and all over the place. And I cannot figure out why. I started doing research. Are there pipes that were messed up? Were there something wrong with the water jug or something? And I would try and clean this out and all sorts of videos, and I couldn't figure out what it was. And finally, I figured it out. So the coffee maker has this little reservoir down here, and I mispronounce it all the time, where the water jug holder goes. Now, if this gets too much water and it gets filled up here, it somehow affects the seal here and leads to that leaking. So the solution to stop it from leaking in the mornings, sorry for the shakiness, is simply to dry this out, make sure it's fully dried. And then when you put this on, make sure it's in there snug like, and you'll be good to go. You will have no more leaks. Hope this is helpful.